What is going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. As you guys could tell, I am not in the studio today, or I am not in my room today recording any automotive news. Why? Because we just received in the mail, and by the way, this is a sponsored video from AutoCast. We just received the new AutoCast P3. Now, if you're like me that takes recent trips, me and Danny just went on a quick trip, and you love to watch YouTube. Let me fix the AC here on the car. And you love to watch YouTube, or you need the navigation, or you just kind of want to be entertained by watching Netflix, and I mean the passenger, don't take your eyes off the road, the passenger, this AutoCast right here will give it to you. This one has different apps, has the Netflix, has YouTube. You can add different apps to it. I just noticed also when we hooked it up, and I'm going to hook it up and I'm going to show you how to do the installation, do everything, that it actually reads the miles per hour. So it's actually pretty cool. Anyways, this is a sponsored video by AutoCast. This is the AutoCast P3. I will leave a link in the description below where you guys can go ahead and pick these up, because this one is super cool. Not only that, it's 128 gigabyte, it's HD out, it has it all here. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing and let's install it, man, and let's see what it looks like. All right, so this is the box right here. I opened it up already. It honestly looks like a hockey puck. So this is what you get here in the box. So this is the AutoCast itself here. It actually, like I said, looks like a hockey puck, and it has different and various cables that you're gonna see now that come with it. Now, these are some of the cables. This is the one that I'm using, which is a USB out to a USB-C, like USB-A to a USB-C, where it just goes connected right here to the back. So you would hook it up here. It also has for the SD card here. It also has an HD out here, HDMI out. So plug it in right here, and this one goes to your USB on the vehicle. Now, it also has a power cable where you have USB in, male and female. And now this one is pretty cool, because this one is a USB-C, but it's kind of like a 90-degree there, which I know for sure a lot of you guys don't have that laying around. So let's go ahead and hook it up to the vehicle. Now, on this vehicle, the USB, and I'm going to show it to you guys, it's right there. So let me go ahead and install it, and we'll come back to look at it. All right, so once it's hooked, so you guys can see, I have it hooked on my USB there, and it's right here. It's going to show up, and it's got different lights. It's going to say AutoCast. Once you go to the menu, let me back out of it. Once you go to the menu, you're going to see that it says Apple CarPlay. So once you click on that, you see the full screen menu there. Now, one of the things that actually caught my eyes a lot was that it actually reads your mile per hour, which you can change it to kilometers. It reads your mile per hour there. Now, you have the YouTube up top, you have Spotify, you have the navigation. There's different apps that you can have with it. So like if we go to ambient lights, that's obviously for the little hockey puck. So you just kind of change the color. You have different colors there that you could put on it. I call it a hockey puck, but it's a streamer, of course. You have Disney Plus, Focus Driving, Gallery, Google. I have IPV Smarters, Netflix. But let's try one of these apps. So let's go on YouTube. So you have YouTube here. I was actually watching Deer Meat for Dinner. Just right there, pops up. Open the screen bigger. Let's check it out. And that's your video right there playing. That's the homeboy Deer Meat for Dinner there. Can you imagine if we actually go hunting one day with him? And that'll be amazing, because we're both in Florida. But anyways, that's your video there, playing perfectly. And look, I backed it out to the main menu, and it's still playing. The good thing about that is that I could even make a call even when I'm still using the streamer or whatnot. It's still looking great. Now, if we slide to the left here, we're gonna see the menu. So you just have to back out of it. You got click on some of the settings. Also here you have Wi-Fi connected, cellular on, which is what is on. So now you see there that it says like CPU 128 gigabytes, RAM 8 gigabytes. So it's like, you know, that's what is being used. It's pretty much the whole thing there. You could even clear the caches here if you want to reset everything on it, and it's doing it perfect. Just did it super quick to the touch. You literally touch it and it opens back up. Pop that right there, go on YouTube. That's the previous app. Super quick. So that's the AutoCast, ladies and gentlemen. Hook it up to your USB or your regular just power cord, which also is a USB, or your regular Type-C, which is a 90-degree Type-C here, and just a regular Type-C. Why? Because some of these vehicles actually have the USB here, so you will kind of just hook it up to here and bring it out to the top. But this is all the options that you get here. These are all the apps. I'm sure you could definitely add more. YouTube Studio, in my case, this would be like what I have on my phone. GPS test, Bluetooth, just everything on it. And the good thing is that it plays Netflix, it plays YouTube. Let's go into the Netflix app. Let's check it out. I don't think I have the account there, but click on it, opens up super quick. And man, I'm actually super happy with it. Okay, so I don't have my account on it, of course. We were just watching it on Danny's vehicle. Actually pretty good. Anyway, so I want to thank AutoCast for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys for sending me this product. This is amazing. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you guys could get this. This is the AutoCast P3. You could use this as a streaming service. You could use it to store data because it does have the SD card on it. It is an amazing product. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Just a quick little sponsor videos, and your boy is out of here.